On today's video, I'm going to be providing you a mindset shift that's going to help you to stay consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, meditating, and lots of other positive things on the long run. But hey, we do not want to just, have this mindset shift and then forget about it, I don't know, maybe like 10 minutes later. And that's why on today's video, I'm also going to be giving you guys a really practical guide, really practical ways to implement this mindset shift, how to actually implement it on your day-to-day life, how to cultivate the mindset shift. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. I just broke a 210 days straight morning push-up streak, fully documented on my Instagram a few days ago. You can just check it out on my Instagram. And yeah, I want to be the best at helping people build consistency. That's why I also rehearse consistently on my live stream. And hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life. Because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So this is June 14th, 2025, and this is going to be day 341 of consistently helping people build consistency. Here's the thing, when we say to ourselves, we tell to ourselves, hey, do 100 push-ups. Hey, study for 1 hour. It kind of feels like an obligation. It feels like somebody is telling us to do something and our brain might hate it. Even if the person that's giving the command is actually ourselves. It still feels like a command. So the mindset shift that we need to be having here is that we are going to change the mindset from, hey, I need to do this into, hey, I get to do this. So we are basically reframe this thing as a privilege, as an opportunity, as a gift to be able to do something like exercising or studying. So for example, when we are trying to be consistent at exercising, instead of saying ourselves to, hey, you need to exercise today, we tell ourselves that, hey, you get to exercise today. This is here's a gift for you to maintain your health, to move your body. Okay, this is a gift for you. And do you want to take this gift? And here's the thing, it it feels like, when it feels like somebody is giving ourselves a really wonderful gift, isn't it going to be weird, right? If we just refuse to take it. If so the mindset shift here is basically realizing that, hey, this is actually a privilege to be able to maintain my health through exercising. So again, as I've mentioned in the beginning of this video, we do not want to just, have this conceptual understanding of, ew, yeah, mindset shift, blah blah blah. We actually wanted to implement, to actually change our mindset, right? To actually implement this on our day-to-day life. So this is a really practical way on how you can actually implement this principle. Basically, go to your notes. It can be a physical notes and also a digital notes. Write down some questions. The questions are going to be, you know, can I exercise today? Do I get to exercise today? And the thing here is that we are going to be setting on an alarm in our phone, and every single time the alarm rings, well, it's time for us to basically read the notes. Okay, read the notes. Just spend 1 minute staring and reading the notes. Okay, just reflect on yourself and notice how your perspective is going to change. You are going to start to realize that, hey, actually this is a privilege for me. And the realization is going to feel even harder. It's going to hit even harder when you just realize that, hey, actually there are millions of people out there that's wanting to have the same privilege as I do right now. Because I'm trying to put this in the most respectful way, but in reality, there are people out there that they are sick, unable to move, unable to exercise, and they want to be able to exercise. And hey, this is the privilege that you are able to do right here, right now. So yeah, I wish you all stay consistent at doing whatever positive things you wanted to be consistent at, and also be healthy, and yeah, live a good life. If you found this video helpful, you can definitely like, share, and comment this video so that the algorithm will send this video to more and more people. And you can also join our Discord, link in the description. You can also support my long form videos on Gumroad by buying me a coffee would really be meaningful for me. And yeah, for today's Day of Authenticity post, today is June 14th, 2025, and Mimzar posted a dancing dog post last 24 hours, GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.